Oh, oh, now it's zoomed in. Okay. After you have finished cutting off all the excess white paper, you are going to fold along this middle thick line. And after you fold it, it's very important that you crease every fold with either your nail or a pencil or a pair of scissors. In origami, it's very important you fold and crease. So it's fold and crease every time. All right, so after it's folded in half, you're gonna turn it this way so that your thick black line under your sugar and phosphates is at the top. Then you're gonna go down to this bottom edge and fold it over until you see the thick black line there. And you're going to fold down the length of the molecule like that, and then you're going to crease, 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 crease. The more you crease it, the better. You cannot over crease. All right, so once that's folded, you're going to then grab it on top, flip it over. So now you have your sugar and phosphates along the bottom, and your ones that you folded are gone. And you're gonna fold this edge over, looking for the black line there. Then you're going to fold those sugar and phosphates over. And once they're folded over, then you're going to crease. Again, crease, crease, crease every fold. The more you crease, the better your molecule will twist at the end. All right, so this is what it should look like now. You have one folded over, one folded under, okay? Okay, so arrange it now so that, oh wait, sorry. You have to unfold now the sides. So now try to flatten it out again so that you can get ready to do the next step. So it's now all flattened out, and your horizontal, thick horizontal lines are up facing you, and the diagonal, thick diagonal lines are down against the table. Okay, then start down at the bottom corner, and you are going to fold it over until you see that thick diagonal line. You fold that over and crease, crease, crease. Okay, so it should look like that. And then you open it up and then do the next one right there. So you fold it over and crease, 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 and open it up and fold it over and crease, 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 crease. So you're gonna do this all the way down the length of the molecule. Okay, so I'm gonna speed up real fast, super fast. Fast motion. I'm going super fast. And I'm creasing like crazy. So I'm folding and creasing, folding, creasing, and folding, and creasing, and folding, and creasing, and folding, and creasing, all the way up. So I've done all the diagonal ones. So all the diagonal ones have been folded and creased, and now we have to do all of the horizontal ones. So we flip it over. So the diagonal lines are now up and the horizontal lines are down. on the table. You can also notice that the printed base labels are now up. And start at the bottom again. That same technique as diagonal, but this time we're folding it up until we see the horizontal thick black line, and we are going to fold on that right there, and then we lift it, open it up, and then we go down to the next one, and we're going to fold and crease, and open it up, and go down to the next one, fold and crease, open it up, go down to the next one, and we're going to do this down the whole length of the molecule. And I think that's it, yeah. We've now done all the horizontal lines and all the diagonal lines, and you are going to now start to see it wanting to twist. So the next step is to refold the sugar and phosphate edges again. And you know, you're gonna really see it want to twist. See, it's already starting to want to twist into that double helix. And so this next part is us really encouraging it to twist even tighter. So you could do it this way, but that may or may not work. And this is still nice, this will work. But if you really wanna get that double helix look, then you start at the bottom and you're gonna work one fold at a time, so diagonal, then horizontal, and you're going to collapse it on itself in a circular pattern. Now it will do this really easily if you really folded and really creased real well. And if it's not doing it nicely, then go back and really fold and crease all of the diagonals and horizontals. And so I just wanted to do that because I folded and creased it so well. So now you've got this little pancake, sandwich, hamburger, DNA molecule, whatever you want to call it. And when you open it, it then resembles a beautiful double helix molecule. Ta-da!